Welcome to the home office of WingsOfun.com. Keeping in the theme of cockpit organization, I wanted to go to a subject of cockpit efficiency. If you're on a local flight, for instance, you can be really efficient in your clearance and not even use paper. You can just essentially use the instrumentation and the standby frequencies for your information. Air traffic control might say, clear to the XYZ airport, climb and maintain 2500. Now, for the altitude, to remember that, there's a couple of techniques. One is ADF. We don't use the ADFs much anymore, and you could use the ADF window to put 25 in there, and that would remind you 2500. Then next, they'll give you the departure frequency. So they'll say departure frequency 118.5. So then you can use your flip-flop switch to go ahead and put that in there. So as they're giving you the clearance, go ahead and have your hand up on the panel on the radio switch so you can put that in there. And then they'll give you the squawk code and you can do the same. So just go ahead and dial it in. And one thing that's interesting to note, after you get a little bit of experience flying in and out of one particular airport, you'll notice there's a lot of trends and similarities because they usually have a certain selection of transponder numbers that they're issued, and it'll usually start with the same code, so you already can know that and you can sort of jump ahead of the game a little bit. And then departure frequencies, you always know, well, if I'm going to this airport, you'll start to notice a trend and you can anticipate this. And anticipation is really where it's at, because you'll notice as you're flying, say for instance back into the airport, that you'll always get a certain runway, or you'll get a certain clearance, and you'll notice these trends as well. So the more you can anticipate frequencies, checklist, when you'll get switched over to a different frequency, say for instance approach to tower or departure, those transitions, the more efficient you're going to be and a lot easier it is going to be for you.